Many people opt for wireless earbuds these days, but a lot of folks still love full-size over-the-ear headphones. Over-ear headphones can provide a rich audio experience, especially if you choose wireless Bluetooth headphones with active noise cancellation to fully block out your surroundings. Many, but not all wireless headphones still come with a cable for wired listening. We've included a handful of wired-only over-ear headphones for audio purists looking for that extra level of clarity. The best Bose noise-canceling headphones. Bose Quiet Comfort Ultra Headphones. Bose's new flagship Quiet Comfort Ultra Headphones may not be a huge upgrade over the company's noise-canceling 700 headphones, but they feature a more premium design along with Bose's new immersive audio feature, which delivers some sound quality enhancements. Along with some excellent sound and great noise canceling, the QC Ultra headphones are also superb for making calls with top-notch background noise reduction. A worthy adversary to Sony's highly rated WH-1000XM5 and Apple's AirPods Max. We call them the best new noise-canceling headphones of 2023, and they remain a top noise-canceling headphone pick for 2024. Best noise-canceling headphones from Sony WH-1000XM5. When you have a product that a lot of people love, change can be risky, such as the case for Sony's WH-1000XM5, the fifth generation of the 1000X series headphones, which were first released in 2016 as the MDR-1000X wireless and have become increasingly popular as they've improved with each generation. Over the years, Sony's made some tweaks to the design, but nothing as dramatic as what it's done with the WH-1000XM5. Other than the higher price tag, most of these changes are good, and Sony's made some dramatic improvements with voice calling performance, as well as even better noise canceling and more refined sound. Top wired over-ear headphones for the money. Sony MDR M1. We've always been fans of Sony's MDR 7506 wired studio monitor headphones, which have long been the favorite headphones of recording engineers and other sound professionals. The new for 2024 MDR M1 are essentially a premium version of the 7506, delivering sound that's hard to match for the price. These are the wired headphones that will make you realize what you're missing after listening to wireless headphones for so long. They feature big open sound with excellent clarity, accuracy, and tight bass. Not only is their sound a noticeable step up from the 7506s, but these get high marks for their comfort level. They weigh a swelled 216 grams. No, there isn't any noise canceling, but the soft, cushy ear pads offer good passive noise isolation. They play louder with a headphone amp, and they're easy to drive, so you can plug them directly into computer's headphone port or a smartphone, likely with a USB-C to 3.5mm adapter. They come with 1.2m and 2.5m straight detachable cables and a 3.5 to 6.3mm screw-in plug adapter, but no carrying pouch or case is included. The only downside we see is that the ear pads aren't all that deep, so those with large ears that stick out a bit might have some issue with the M1's fit. Your ears might press up against the drivers, which are notable for serving up distortion-free audio, even at higher volume levels. They look and feel like an upgraded version of the 7506, so if those work for you, these should too. Top new noise-canceling headphones of 2024, the Sonos Ace. Several years in development, Sonos' new Ace headphones are finally available. They're mostly very impressive, though they aren't without a few downsides, including a rather high price tag and some potential glitches with a key feature. Overall, they're very well designed and also deliver top-notch sound quality, noise canceling, and voice calling performance. Top new budget noise canceling headphones, Earfun Wave Pro. Earfun has made some very solid budget earbuds, and now it's entered the full-size ANC headphone space with its new for 2024 Wave Pro headphones. They list for $80, but click the 20% instant coupon on their product page to get a discount. They may not sound as good as premium noise-canceling headphones from Bose or Sony, but they're comfortable to wear, feature decent sound with punchy bass, and offer respectable noise canceling and voice calling performance. We found them to be a step up from the Soundpeats Space headphones, which sometimes costs a little less. They're rated for up to 80 hours of battery life with noise canceling off and 55 hours with it on, and support multi-point Bluetooth pairing, as well as Sony's LDAC audio codec for Android smartphones and other compatible devices. We also like that they come with a hard case and a cable for wired listening, although noise canceling is disabled when you go wired, which is a bit of a bummer. the best high-end wireless headphones for Apple users, the Apple AirPods Max. Yes, they're expensive, but AirPods Max delivers richer, more detailed sound than lower-priced competitors from Bose and Sony. They also feature arguably the best noise canceling on the market, along with premium build quality and Apple's virtual surround spatial audio feature for video watching. While they are heavy, they manage to be surprisingly comfortable, although we did have to adjust the mesh canopy headband to sit a little more forward on our head to get a comfortable, secure fit when we were out walking with them. They should fit most heads well, but there will be exceptions. Best Sennheiser noise-canceling headphones, the Sennheiser Momentum 4 Wireless. Sennheiser's previous generation Momentum wireless headphones have always had a pretty distinct look that was part retro, part modern, and stood out for the exposed metal on the headband. For better or worse, that's all gone now, and the new Momentum 4 Wireless, Sennheiser's flagship noise-canceling headphones, look a bit more subdued, and also a bit more like some of their competitors. The Momentum 4 Wireless offers superior performance over the Momentum 3 Wireless in every regard, although the biggest gains are with noise cancelling and voice calling performance, as well as battery life, which is outstanding, up to 60 hours at moderate volume levels. There's also a transparency mode that allows ambient sound in, and they have the ability to create a custom sound profile in the Smart Control app for iOS and Android, using the built-in EQ, sound modes, and a new sound personalization feature that assesses the user's listening preferences and adjusts the listening experience according to their taste. Equipped with 42mm drivers, Sennheiser says the Momentum 4 Wireless offers best-in-class sound, which is debatable. We'd say the Momentum 4 sound quality is right there with other models in this price range. They sound excellent with a requisite, well-defined punchy bass, relatively wide soundstage, and smooth treble that brings out some of the finer details in well-recorded tracks. They're a pleasure to listen to. Excellent sounding over-ear wireless headphones, the Nobel Focus Apollo. Nobel is an audiophile brand known for its in-ear monitor headphones, but it's got a new for 2024 wireless noise-canceling headphone called the Focus Apollo that sounds terrific and features a special dual-driver design that combines a 40mm dynamic driver with a 14.5mm planar magnetic driver. The result is rich, open sound with tight bass and excellent treble detail and clarity. Especially for a wireless headphone, it's more dynamic than many monitor headphones that have a flatter, more neutral sound profile, but it still leans towards being an accurate, well-balanced headphone. The design of the headphones is slightly generic looking, but they have some premium accents and fit our heads comfortably. A decent, albeit somewhat large carrying case is included along with a cable for wired listening. And in case you want to use the headphones for video conference calls at home or do a little multiplayer gaming, a detachable boom microphone ships with the headphones. Equipped with a Qualcomm QC3084 chip and an ADI chip, the Focus Apollo supports a wide variety of audio codecs, including LDAC, AAC, aptX, aptX HD, and SBC. Interestingly, that's not Qualcomm's higher-end 5 Series chip, but we had no issues with wireless performance, and voice calling performance was good with decent noise reduction. Like a lot of audiophile active noise cancelling headphones, the noise cancelling is decent, but wasn't up to what level of Bose, Sony, and Apple ANC headphones offer. ANC impacts sound quality, so it's not surprising that it's a little lighter with this headphone. It's also worth noting that you don't get extra bells and whistles like wear sensors that pause your music when you take the headphones off. You're really buying this headphone for its sound quality and those dual drivers. Battery life is another plus. It's rated for up to 60 hours with ANC at moderate volume levels. Best Beats over-ear headphones, Beats Studio Pro. Love them or hate them, Beats Studio headphones are among the most popular headphones of all time, launching as wired headphones back in 2008. This is the 4th generation of them, and they carry the same list price as their predecessor and look very similar on the outside, but have some big changes on the inside that make them significantly better headphones. We're tempted to describe them as more affordable plastic versions of the AirPods Max. It's not quite accurate due to choice in chipsets and one noticeable feature missing. Top budget noise cancelling headphones, QCY H3 Pro. QCY is another Chinese brand like Tribit, Earfun, and plenty of others that make budget-priced headphones that sound better than you'd think they would for their relatively low price. Its new for 2024 H3 Pro headphones are similar to models in this price range from One More, Tribit, and Edifier, but they arguably sound a touch better, and we found them relatively comfortable to wear, as they feature a lightweight design and memory foam ear pads. The sound quality on these budget models tends to vary a bit from track to track. While we encountered some occasional distortion on badly recorded material, and the treble just can't produce the clarity and detail that you get with more premium headphones, all in all, the sound quality was quite respectable. The noise cancelling is also fairly decent. There are a few different modes to choose from in QCY's companion app for iOS and Android, which has a low-frills looking interface but is robust enough under the hood. You do get multi-point Bluetooth pairing that allows you to connect two devices simultaneously, but features like wear sensors that pause your music when you take the headphones off are missing. Also, you can set the headphones to automatically turn off after not being in use for a certain amount of time, but the headphones turned off in the middle of a long call that we were making, not seeming to realize that we were using the headphones. The H3 Pro are all in all a very good value, particularly when their price dips closer to $50. New mid-range JBL noise-canceling headphones, JBL Live 770NC. The well-designed and comfortable JBL Live 770NC offers some modest improvements over its predecessor, including better battery life, up to 65 hours with ANC off and 50 hours with ANC on, Bluetooth 5.3 with LE audio. Equipped with 40mm drivers, you get bold, nicely defined sound with powerful bass that's relatively tight. JBL's ambient aware and talk-through features are on board, along with multi-point Bluetooth pairing. We thought the headphones' noise muffling capabilities were good, and callers said they could hear us well even in noisier environments, except when the wind picked up around us. The headphones folded up, and a simple carrying pouch is included, along with a cable for wired listening. Top value Sony mid-range noise-canceling headphones, Sony CH720N. Sony's improved entry-level noise-canceling headphones, the CH720Ns have a bit of a plasticky budget vibe, but they're lightweight and very comfortable. Part of us was expecting them to sound pretty mediocre, but we were pleasantly surprised. No, they don't sound as good as the WH-1000XM5s, but they sound more premium than they look and feel, and their overall performance is a step up from their predecessor, the CH710Ns. Are they worth $150? Maybe or maybe not. The good news is that, like the CH710N and WH-XB910 before them, these have already seen significant discounts, with prices dropping to as low as $100 during flash sales. Best value noise-canceling headphones, Edifier W830NB. The W830NB is the successor to Edifier's popular W820NB Plus, one of the better value noise-canceling headphones of the last few years. The W830NB looks slightly more premium than its predecessor, and like that earlier model, it's fairly lightweight and comfortable, with cushy memory foam ear pads. They also sound very good for their price, offering decent clarity and fairly well-defined bass with an amply wide soundstage. Along with the LDAC and SBC audio codecs, the W830NB support the AAC audio codec. The noise cancelling is a tad better. It's decent, but not up to the level of what you get with Bose and Sony headphones, and battery life is rated for an impressive 54 hours with noise cancelling on. A couple of things are still missing though. There's no official carrying case or headphone jack, although you can connect them to your computer with a USB-C cable. A USB-C to USB-A cable is included, but most computers and smartphones have USB-C now.